How to order hosting from crazy domains. Step 1. Open your browser and type hostingloginguide.com. Step 3. Click Hosting Order Guide option. Selected Hosting Order Guide option. Step 4. Select the Crazy Domains company. Step 5. Click on the Check Offer option. Step 6. Click on the Hosting option. Then, click on the Get Started option. Step 9. Choose the months which you want. Step 8. Click on the Buy Now option on the plan you want to take. Step 10. Then, if you have a domain name, click on I have domain name. Step 11. Enter your domain name and click on Continue option. Again, click on the Continue option. Step 12. Enter your login details, then click to Login and Continue option. Step 13. Click on Select Payment option. Step 14. Then, enter your card details, then click on the Pay and Activate button.